Hello everybody. Today we will start our 13th chapter, Introduction to Internet. As per my knowledge, you are aware with the Internet. What is Internet? It's the universal knowledge of database. You are using mobile Internet. Computer is very efficient in performing many applications. However, computer may not have all the resources along with that. We directly start. What is computer network? If you have mobile, you know very well what is mobile network. You have a friend circle. When you have a one friend, two friend, three friend, the circle of that friend is called your friend circle. School friend, home friend, neighbor friend. Same way, when we connect computer, one computer with another computer. See, one computer with another computer is called computer network. By connecting computer into network, one can use resources of all connected computer from any point of network. You might have heard about the telephone network, electricity network, and railway line network. You might have observed that electricity is produced at few locations, but the transmitted through network of wires entire state. The main concept of computer network is first, when we have a computer in a one office, there may be suppose 50 computer, and we need to take a printout from each and every computer. At that time, we don't need to purchase a printer from each and every system. We just install that printer, we just install that scanner with one computer, and other all computer will connected with that computer. So all computer are connected with each other. The network of that computer is called computer network. There are different type. When we connect that computer with each other, that's computer network. Then you can give the print from any of that network computer. You are sitting on any other place, you are sit on system number 10 and the computer printer is installed on system number 50, but you are able to give the printout from your system to that computer 50 number because the printer is installed there. So any one of that computer network is able to give the printout to on that printer. We no need to purchase for each and every system a new printer because we are able to share our resources with the help of computer network. See, basic network type. Different computer networks are categorized accordingly. Scope of scale. Common examples of computer network types are mentioned below. LAN, local area network. A local area network connects a computer and other devices over a relatively short distance. Underline these lines. An office building, a school, laboratory, or a home usually connect a single LAN. In addition to operating a limited space, LANs are also typically owned, controlled, and managed by a single person or organization. To connect a computers and other devices, LAN use wired media. However, it may use wireless connection on LAN based on wireless technology called WLAN, wireless local area network. Underline this line also. Suppose in our school, there is a principal office and our computer lab. My computer lab computer is connected, want to connect with that principal sir's office. At that time, I no need to connect that computer with the help of cable. We just use a network interface card. We install that card at principal sir computer and our computer lab computer. With the help of that NIC card, we are able to establish the network between both computer. So it's called wireless area network. WAN, wide area network. As a term implies, a wide area network spans a large physical distance. These types of network are depend on the physical distance of the computer. In a one building or within short distance, computer connected with each other is called LAN. And when there is no limitation, a wide area network spans a large physical distance. The internet is the largest WAN spanning the earth. WAN is geographically dispersed collection of LANs. A WAN differs from a LAN in several important ways. Most WANs are not owned by an organization, but rather exist control, distributed ownership, and the management. Now, metropolitan area network. Network spanning a physical area larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. That means maybe suppose for example, I want to explain you Suppose our local area network may be within 1 kilometer area, we connect the computer with each other. For WAN, there is no distance, but greater than LAN and short than WAN is called metropolitan area network. Such as a city is called metropolitan area network. A MAN is typically owned and operated by a single entity such as government body or large corporation such as municipal corporation. The website of municipal corporation is the example of metropolitan area network. Some other network categories include SAN, CAN, PAN, DAN. These all are the simple examples of network. You must know the full form of this network, and these three are the main network: LAN, MAN, and WAN. You must be remember the category wise, distance wise, we name this network. Now we are going to see what is the internet. Internet is also kind of network which connect different computer network. Internet is also called a super network or meta network. This computer network is spread across the different parts of the world. The internet combines two basic things. One is computers and other is connections. Together is known as interconnection and network. See, underline this line. Interconnections and network, that is internet. Computers in the network can be connected with some wire or maybe with special type of connection facility called wireless connectivity. The popular connections use phones, lines, cables, optical fibers, and satellite links. Computers connected in a network should behave as a particular manners and obeyed by formal rules. Just like when guests come, we welcome them with a namaste and offer them something. There is no fixed formula to computer compulsion for such behavior, but we insist to follow such manner. Similarly, for smooth operation within network. Now see how many computers are connected with network. You don't have any idea. Suppose we see the example of WAN, wide area network. This is the example of internet. Internet is the largest network. Thousands and lakhs computers are connected with each other. Then how can data will be moved from one computer to another computer? There is some protocol. They give us example. When guests come, we say namaste, welcome. There is no this type of rule, but that are best when guests are come. Same way, there is some protocols followed by the internet. When data come or data transfer from one computer to another. These laws and rules are called protocols. Following the protocols guarantee smooth operations between the connected computer in the network like file transfer protocol, transmission control protocol, and internet protocol. Underline this line, FTP, file transfer protocol, transmission control protocol, and internet protocol. The popular protocols to guide internet working. Once computers and other devices are connected within a network, we need to identify the computer for getting some resources. If we do not know computer's address within network, how will we get help? When postman come to our home, without address, he is unable to deliver the letter to our home. Same way, when you want to send nowadays, we are sending email, we are sending WhatsApp message. If you don't have a contact number of that person, how you are able to send a WhatsApp message? Same way, if you don't have when data transfer from one computer to another computer on internet, the computer have a ID. It's called a computer ID, IP address. So once computers and other devices are connected within a network, we need to identify computer for getting some resources. If we don't know the address, how we can get it? See, server, where all computers are connected, backbone, server, clients. How many networks of network? This is the internet. So many networks of network is called internet. Suppose this is the Gujarat state server and all these networks, Maharashtra state server and all these network. Suppose any other Rajasthan state server and its network. So just we have a unique telephone number in telephone network. We must have unique identification by every computer in network. This number is called IP address. Underline here. Here IP address stands for Internet Protocol, which defines a guideline for such addressing. A typical IP address can be shown here. Example 216.27.61.137. This is a simple example of IP address. They give such example that we know roll number is a unique address or GR number is the unique number in the school student. Suppose we have 1,000 students in our school. Each student's GR number is different. Same way, each computer's IP address is different on the computer network. See, 172.162.54.1 decane. Then 172, the binary value is this. 16 ki the binary value of 16 is this, because computer understand only binary language. 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, 32 bits. 8, 8, 8, 8, 32 bits. So same way, 172.16.254.1, this is a IP address of computer in a network. If computer is not in network, there is no required to IP address. Now, component of internet. Internet connects millions of academic, business and government network. Hence, internet is not a proprietary network. Within the internet, there are some large and high-speed computers that are used to store information. These computers are called server. Underline this slide. There is need to store the main important information with high-speed computer. Many computers are connected with a server or connected computers with a server to seek support is known as clients. Underline this line. What is server and what is client? Server is a high capacity computer and other computer connected with that server is called clients. Servers are connected on land as well as across the oceans through high capacity cable. These cables are known as backbones of our information superhighway. Underline this line. This whole paragraph is very important. When server is connected with another system, the cables are called backbone or superhighway. Fiber optic cable are very useful for this purpose. Internet also uses routers that help in forwarding the content within the network. A router is a device that forward data within computer network. Underline this line. When we give an internet connection at our home, without router, we are unable to connect internet. Router is a device that forward data within computer network. Today we complete this section here. We will continue this section again tomorrow. Thank you very much.